Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sunita. I will tell you about the fetal heart sound. What is the FHS? Doctors लिख देते हैं FHS. So what are those? FHS? Full form is fetal heart sound. It is the most conclusive clinical sign of pregnancy with an ordinary stethoscope. It can be detected between the 18 to 20 weeks. The sound resembles the tick of a watch under a pillow. Its location varies with the position of the fetus. The rates varies from 140 to 160 per minute and gradually settle down to 120 to 140 per minute as the pregnancy advances. However, Doppler effect of ultrasound can detect the fetal heart sound as early as the 10th week. Two other sounds are confused with the fetal heart sound. Those are the uterine souffle and the fetal souffle. So, differentiation between fetal heart sound and fetal souffle and fetal souffle and uterine souffle, that is very difficulty and it's gained by experience. So every time watch under the pillow like music is, that is the fetal heart sound.